Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in one of Abuja's most exclusive neighborhoods? Well, buckle up because today we're taking a drive through Katampe Extension, a prestigious area in Nigeria's capital known for its status as a diplomatic zone. This neighborhood is nothing short of a haven tucked away from the bustling inner city of Abuja. It's an enclave that's been carved out for those who desire a serene yet vibrant lifestyle. This district is, in essence, a unique blend of tranquility and dynamism, offering a peaceful retreat without compromising on connectivity. Katampe Extension shares borders with areas like Dawaki, Gwarinpa, Jahi, Kado, Mabushi, Maitama and Mpape, further enhancing its appeal with its prime location. It's a melting pot of culture and sophistication, attracting a diverse, cosmopolitan community that adds to its charm and allure. The area is predominantly residential, with a wide array of property types, from flats and terraced duplexes to grand mansions. But it's not just about homes. Katampe Extension is a neighborhood on the rise, with plans afoot to increase commercial activities, making it a future hub of business and leisure. The neighborhood boasts of impressive infrastructure, including well-tarred roads, well-lit sidewalks, efficient sewer systems, and an extensive road network that offers easy access to most parts of the city. This district is seeing significant investments that are continually enhancing its infrastructure, making it a place where convenience meets luxury. And let's not forget the amenities. Everything you need is just a short distance away, from schools and shops to parks, making everyday living a breeze. Sure, the accommodation costs in Katampe Extension can be on the higher side, but that's a small price to pay for the exclusive lifestyle it offers. Plus, with its proximity to the elite Maitama neighborhood, you're guaranteed value for your investment. Now that you've got an overview, let's delve deeper into what makes Katampe Extension a coveted address. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the architecture, property types, and future prospects of this fascinating neighborhood. So, stay with us as we continue our journey through the heart of Abuja's luxury real estate. Infrastructure is the backbone of any neighborhood, and Katampe Extension doesn't disappoint. Imagine a place where the electricity supply is as reliable as the rising sun, a place where the roads are not just tarred but also well-maintained and complemented with pedestrian-friendly sidewalks. This is what you'll find in Katampe Extension. The district's infrastructure is truly commendable, reflecting the significant investment that continues to pour into the area. But it doesn't stop there. The neighborhood's design also pays attention to the aesthetic appeal. The landscaping in Katampe Extension is as pleasing to the eyes as it is functional, with well-kept green spaces adding a touch of nature's beauty to the urban setting. The street lighting system is not only efficient but also adds to the overall ambience of the neighborhood at night. And then there's the extensive road network. It's designed to offer easy access to most parts of the city, making commutes a breeze. Whether you're heading to the bustling inner Abuja area or the exclusive Maitama neighborhood, getting there from Katampe Extension is smooth and straightforward. But what's a neighborhood without its amenities? Katampe Extension shines in this area as well. Within a short distance, you'll find a variety of schools, shops, and parks. The schools in the vicinity cater to different educational needs, while the shops ensure that residents don't have to travel far to get their daily necessities. The parks, on the other hand, provide spaces for relaxation and recreation, making the neighborhood suitable for families, singles, and everyone in between. In terms of utilities, the district enjoys an excellent electricity supply, ensuring that power outages are the least of your worries. The sewer system is efficient, and the drainage is well planned to prevent flooding during the rainy season. With such top-notch infrastructure and amenities, it's no wonder that Katampe Extension is attracting a cosmopolitan community. From the reliable utilities to the well-thought-out road network, to the proximity of necessary amenities, living in Katampe Extension is truly an experience of comfort, convenience, and class. Homes are more than just a roof over our heads. They're a reflection of our lifestyle. In Katampe Extension, there's something for everyone. This residential haven, nestled away from the bustling inner Abuja area, offers a wide selection of property types, each one designed to accommodate different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you're a single professional, a growing family, or someone who simply enjoys the finer things in life, Katampe Extension has a home for you. Let's start with the flats. These are perfect for those who value compact living without sacrificing comfort and style. They come in various sizes, from one-bedroom units for the solo dweller to larger ones for families. Many of these flats boast modern interiors with open floor plans, sleek finishes, and amenities that make city living a breeze. Next, we have the terraced duplexes. These are multi-level homes that offer more space and privacy. The terraced design allows each unit to have its own entrance, giving it a feel of a detached home. The duplexes in Katampe Extension are known for their elegant architectural design, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. They often feature spacious living areas, multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, and sometimes even a private garden or patio. And for those who crave grandeur and luxury, there are the mansions. These are the crown jewels of Katampe Extension's real estate. These opulent homes are architectural masterpieces, showcasing the best of modern design. They often feature expansive living spaces, multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, luxurious finishes, and state-of-the-art amenities. Some even come with their own swimming pools, landscaped gardens, and stunning views of the city. But it's not just the variety that makes Katampe Extension's properties unique. It's the impressive modern architecture that truly sets them apart. The buildings here are designed with a keen eye for detail and a strong sense of style. They blend seamlessly with the landscape, creating a harmonious balance between nature and man-made structures. Whether you prefer a cozy flat or a sprawling mansion, you'll find it in Katampe Extension. Living in an exclusive neighborhood comes with its price, but it's all worth it. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: accommodation costs in the Katampe Extension. It's no secret that this enclave, perched near the exclusive Maitama neighborhood, has property prices that lean towards the higher end of the scale. But before you start getting cold feet, let's put things into perspective. The costs associated with living in this district are largely influenced by its location. Proximity to Maitama, a hub of opulence and luxury, means that you are essentially paying for the privilege of residing in a top-tier neighborhood. Now, the exact cost of accommodation can vary quite a bit, depending on where within the district you're looking at. This variance is mainly due to factors such as the size of the property, its specific location within the district, the type of property, and the level of infrastructure and amenities available. For instance, land prices in this district can start from around 30 million naira and can go upwards depending on the location and size. This might seem steep, but consider the kind of neighborhood you're buying into: one with tarred roads, well-lit sidewalks, a robust sewer system, and a well-planned drainage system. Not to mention the easy access to most parts of the city and the abundance of amenities in the vicinity, such as schools, shops, and parks. As for the cost of houses, again, it largely depends on the type of property. Flats, terraced duplexes, and mansions each come with their own price tags. However, regardless of the type of property you go for, you can be assured of an impressive modern architectural design that is sure to turn heads. While the costs may be on the higher side, the lifestyle and conveniences offered by Katampe Extension make it a worthwhile investment. Think of it as a long-term play where you're investing in a lifestyle, a community, and an environment that's truly top-notch. And in the grand scheme of things, isn't that what really matters? Katampe Extension isn't just about the present, it's a neighborhood with a promising future. Looking ahead, the prospects for this district are bright and promising. The area is mainly residential at the moment, but plans are underway to increase commercial activities. This will bring more vibrancy to the neighborhood, and provide residents with more opportunities for shopping, dining, and entertainment right at their doorstep. Imagine strolling down the street to your favorite cafe or boutique, or having a world-class shopping center just a few minutes from your home. This is the future that Katampe Extension is moving towards. This blend of residential serenity and commercial convenience will create a dynamic urban environment that perfectly suits the cosmopolitan community this district is known for. But that's not all. The infrastructure of the district is also set to improve even further. Significant investments are being made to enhance the existing amenities and add new ones. Roads, sidewalks, and streetlights are being upgraded, while additional parks and recreational facilities are being added to make the district even more family-friendly. The district's excellent electricity supply will also continue to be a major advantage, with further improvements planned in this area too. And let's not forget about the extensive road network that already exists, providing easy access to most parts of the city. This will be further expanded and improved to ensure seamless connectivity within Abuja. With these developments, the property values in Katampe Extension are expected to rise, making it an excellent investment opportunity. Land prices already start at around 30 million naira, depending on location and size. As the district continues to develop and attract more residents, these prices are only expected to go up. In conclusion, Katampe Extension is more than just a neighborhood. It's a vision of the future, a future where luxury meets convenience, where cosmopolitan lifestyle meets serene living, and where every day brings you closer to your dream life. With its excellent infrastructure, diverse property options, and promising future, Katampe Extension truly stands as a beacon of luxury living in Abuja.